your time is valuable. Man, part of my background is in curriculum development and also in teaching. And so I went from education into becoming what we call an edupreneur, an entrepreneurial person in the education market. And gosh, over the years we've had a chance to create a lot of content, a lot of after-school sessions, but we're well over 200 different courses that we've written and put together. Our program specialist Dorian and I had this idea. We're like, man, let's write lessons for people for free. We locked ourselves in a room with nothing but a whiteboard, and we gave ourselves a parameter. We said, you've got an hour to film. It has to have an approach to it, right? Step, step, step. It has to have options for kids who are showing readiness, for kids who aren't showing readiness. It has to culminate in a project, and also has to have an extension opportunity. And so, man, that's what we did. Our very first one we started with was about trains. Here in the Dallas area, we're starting to build a high-speed rail. So it's kind of neat to think about the automation of trains and where things are going. Man, since then we've had requests to do lessons on sinkholes, to do one on emergency room procedures and protocol, cross-stitching. So someone said, I'm really into cross-stitching, can you make a lesson out of it? Someone pitched to us the challenge of, can you create a lesson on interior design that the kids find interesting and also has a task and can tie into some content. So that's the video that you see. We then typed it up afterwards, and so you'll find it posted below. If you don't see it, by any means, reach out and contact us. Okay, so my ask is this, that if you like what we're doing, if you like these free lessons, by all means, reach out. Is there a lesson that you're looking to work on or teach? Is there an objective or a standard that you just really want a creative team to come in and take a look at and say, you know what you could do with this? So again, like us, follow us. We'll keep spinning out free lessons. And again, if you're more curious about how we do this or our curriculum model, let us know. We do teacher trainings, we work with administrators, we work with curriculum writing teams all the time to show them our curriculum model and how to take content, right, things you have to teach, objectives, and turn it into project-based, fun learning that is real and inspired.